Hello my friend, today I will show you how you can make an application bot without writing a line of code. First click on the link in my description and use my GitHub repository as template. Copy the link in Replit. Copy your bot token in config.js. Now let's start the bot. As you can see, the bot is now online and you can start with the application. You can edit and change the questions the bot asks in index.js. As you can see, everything works perfectly. If you want to know how to host the bot 24/7, join my Discord server. I will now show you how you can host your Discord bot 24/7 and completely for free. First, you copy the link from your Replit project or from your Glitch project. Join now my Discord server, which I have linked in the video description. Now you can close the Replit website, and you will see that your bot is now online 24/7. As you can see, everything works perfectly.